Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to continue our 25 days of Thanksgiving and we are going to make another side dish. Thanksgiving just isn't complete without having stuffing. So we are going to do this delicious meat stuffing made with ground beef. So come along and I'll show you how we make this. All right, friends. So for our stuffing, we are going to need some celery sticks, an onion, 12 ounces of breadcrumbs, 1 pound of ground beef, and some salt and pepper. Now, make sure you wash your celery, and then we're gonna go ahead and dice these up. And now we're gonna go ahead and dice our onion as well. All right, friends, so now that our onions and our celery are chopped up, I've got my cast iron skillet nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and saute these up. And we're gonna go in with our pound of ground beef. All right, friends, so we're gonna go ahead and add in some pepper and some salt and give this a good mix. We are going to go ahead and go in with our 12 ounces of breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, I have 2 cups of chicken broth. We're going to get this all well combined. All right, friends, so I've got some melted butter here. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of coat the bottom of my dish here to help prevent the stuffing from sticking to it. And we're going to go ahead and start filling up our dish. I'm just going to go with the remainder of the butter on top. All right, and this is going to go into the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. All right, friends, our stuffing is all done. All right, friends, so let's go in and try this stuffing, ground beef stuffing. Now, this has been a family tradition at my parents' house for years. My grandmother used to make this. This is like home. Tastes just like Grandma used to make it. Friends, you gotta give this a try. Definitely a must-have at your Thanksgiving dinner. Drop in the comments and let me know what kind of stuffing you normally have at Thanksgiving. Friends, and until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.